Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Katie, and today I am removing my makeup. Now, yes, I am filming this directly after I finished my Il Maquillage featuring Rico Nasty makeup collection. I think I did that. Like, pronounced it right. That's what I mean. Anyways, like I said, I'm playing catch up on videos and I've been really wanting to make this video for a long time. I am trying my best to become more like eco-conscious, or however you say that. I'm just thinking about like how much stuff I throw away and how much makeup I use. Like I feel really guilty, of course, and I want to try to do a better job. And even though I love makeup, I feel like there are ways that I can love my makeup but at the same time not be so wasteful and damaging to our environment. First, let me take off my earrings and put my hair up. I'm gonna walk you through my makeup removing routine that I feel I have improved from my more wasteful what's it called? The first thing I do is I grab this like little silicone scrubby thing. This I got off of Amazon, which is another thing I need to calm down with. It's just really good at getting all of this stuff off, and I use it with my Neutrogena Fresh Foaming Cleanser. I like a lot and it works really well. And yes, I do recycle, but I don't really know what they be doing with my recycling, even though I pay extra to have a recycling bin. I highly doubt it's going where it's supposed to need to go. Wet face, put this on, scrub a dub, and I turn off my water while I do a dish. I go very softly over my eye. Now, mascara and eyeliner are one of the most stubborn things to take off, but so that's why I go over with this thing, but I do it very softly. Like, I don't do it as harshly as I do the rest of my face. Not that I'm going harshly. Just want to be extra soft and careful in this eye area. Now I'll rinse this off and rinse my face off. Now I pat my face dry. There is another way you can clean your face, and that is by using one of these like makeup erasers. I know it looks dirty, but it's not dirty, I swear. It's just stained because of my makeup. I do have like an original makeup eraser makeup removal towel. Now, the reason why these are different from like a regular towel is that these are much softer, much more gentle on your face. They do work really well, as you can tell. I did also buy, just because I put on makeup a lot for my Instagram and YouTube, I did also buy a erase your face pack from Amazon, but they work really well. Not as well as this, but they work well. The only reason why I didn't do it in this video is because with the cleanser, I feel like my face is a lot more clean, even though I'm not done yet. And this, you just use water and like wipe your face. So it's just personal preference. Sometimes if I'm feeling really lazy, I'll just use one of these rags, use water. For all the stubbornness left behind, I do use a, what's it called? Micellar Meclair. No, that's not right. I think it's just Micellar cleansing water. I know 2 languages, that's why this is so difficult. I do use this. It works really well, and I would use this to wipe off my makeup with cotton pads or cotton balls, which when you think about, is extremely wasteful. I did buy some reusable cotton pads from Amazon as well. I used a new one for the purpose of this video. Makeup does stain, so don't think that these are dirty, because they're not. I washed them in the washing machine and then I hung them to dry. And I shakety shake this, go all around my face because I do like contour and bronzer. And look at that, guys. So that was all left over on my face. So once I do like the once over on one side, I'll do a twice over on the other side. There we go. We're clean now. But yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you liked that. I know it wasn't like groundbreaking or anything. Love you. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Really appreciate it. I'll be seeing you guys next week. Bye.